on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making lasagna soup. The ingredients I'll be showing you in two parts. We're going to need 7 cups of chicken broth, 1 14.5 ounce can of petite diced tomatoes, 1 15 ounce can of tomato sauce, 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 8 lasagna noodles, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 1/2 teaspoons of dried basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and that's optional, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 small onion diced, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. For our cheese topping, we're going to need 10 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese, and I have a salt and pepper mixture here. You guys, you can add the salt and pepper according to your liking. To my Dutch oven, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to let that come to temperature. My heat is medium. Now I'm going to add in my onion. We're going to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. We're going to saute that for 1 minute. We're going to add in our ground beef. We're going to go ahead and break that down and make sure it's well combined with the onion and garlic. Next, you want to add in your onion powder, your adobo all-purpose seasoning, your garlic powder, and also your ground black pepper. We're just going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And you want to continue to cook your ground beef until it's all the way brown. Once your ground beef is brown all the way through, you want to drain it of all excess grease. After you drain your ground beef, we're going to add in our 3 tablespoons of tomato paste. Just want to mix it in until it's well combined. Now we're going to add in our petite diced tomatoes and also our tomato sauce. We're going to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to begin to add in our beef broth. You want to go ahead and mix it well. You want your heat to be on medium. we're going to add in our basil, our thyme, the oregano, and also our crushed red pepper flakes. And just mix until well combined. You want to let that come to a boil. Now with our lasagna noodles, you want to just go ahead and break them down into smaller pieces. Okay guys, while you're waiting for it to come up to a boil, you can go ahead and give it a taste. And if you have to adjust any seasoning, you can do it now. Once it comes to a boil, you can lower your heat to low. And we're going to begin to add in our lasagna noodles. You can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, we're going to place our lid over top, and you want to leave it cracked a little. Don't cover it up all the way. And you want to remember to stir occasionally, and we're going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now for our cheese topping, I have our ricotta cheese in the bowl. I'm going to add in my mozzarella cheese and my grated parmesan cheese, and also a little bit of our salt and pepper mixture. And I'm just going to mix it until it's well combined. Now I'm going to place my lid over top and place it in the fridge until we're ready to use it. Okay guys, our lasagna soup is done. Look how delicious that looks. Okay guys, so here's our lasagna soup. I'm going to take a large dollop of our cheese mixture and place it on top. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of parsley flakes on top, just for a little color. And here we have it guys, our lasagna soup. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?